and welcome back to my channel. So today we're doing something really fun, and this video is really going to be more like workshop style and helping you create your first 3 Instagram reels, or maybe if you've already created some reels, just create your next 3 Instagram reels. And so the first thing I want you to do is there's going to be links to all of the sounds we're using in these reels down below. So if you want to follow along and create these reels as I'm creating them, that's exactly what I would love for you to do. And we're gonna try to keep this video as like uncut and raw as possible, so you can kind of come along with me and film these reels in like real time, which is gonna be really, really fun. So before we jump into the 3 reels that we are creating, be sure to also download, there's a free guide with 10 reels ideas you can create today. So once you're done creating these 3 free reels, if you need ideas for your next 10 reels, that guide's gonna be amazing for you. So be sure to download that. But I do have my phone on a selfie tripod. We'll also link this tripod down below if you want to grab something similar for yourself. But I have my phone on the tripod, and let me go ahead and show you my screen. All right, so let's go ahead. We're gonna pull up the first video right here, and it's this one that I have here. Again, if you want to listen to the audio, I'm gonna be careful about how much of like the audio from these reels I show on my YouTube video, just purely out of not wanting YouTube to take this video down for copyright reasons. But yeah, so let me go ahead. What I'm gonna do, so if you tap on the audio at the top for any of these reels, this is the audio link you're gonna get down below. You can see examples of a ton of different people using that reel audio. So this one is essentially like, yo, 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 please don't ever say that again. Something along those lines, something super fun. So what I'm going to do is I've already looked through this, I've looked at a few examples, and basically this reel is just a super short lip sync, and it's gonna be really easy. And to be honest, as I am creating this, I don't even know what text I'm gonna use. That's the case for me with a lot of my reels. Sometimes I have a good idea, or like once I'm done filming, I'll have an idea of like what text I'll put on the reel. But I just wanna give you permission too. If you're not sure, just go ahead, like film these along with me so you have them in your drafts. And later when you go to post, you have something filmed and you don't have to like try to film stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and just tap use audio at the very bottom. I'm gonna add an effect. It's my favorite one. Whoopsie, go over this way, not that way. Oh, this is not. There we go. Okay, so I'm gonna do that. And I'm gonna listen to the audio a few times just so I can get an idea of what I need to say and when I need to say it. This is what I usually do when I'm doing a lip sync. I'll practice it a few times.
Yo, yo, yo.
There we go.
Please never say those words again.
Okay, so it's just, yo, 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 please don't ever say those words again. Listen one more time.
Yo, 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 please never say those words again.
Please never say those words again. Okay, let me try.
Yo, 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 please never say those words again.
Okay, I think I've got it. That one's very simple, very easy. So I like the idea of like myself walking up and like going like please never say those words again. And this will probably be along the lines of reels, because that's just what I teach on. But let's see. Okay, so I'm gonna put on the timer.
Yo, yo, yo.
So just that little like okay, yo, 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 please never say those words again. Okay, timer.
Yo, 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 please never say those words again.
Okay, I totally messed up that ending.
Yo, please never say those words again.
Okay, I can trim it though. So I'm gonna hit the arrow at the upper left, and then the bottom left is another arrow. Hit the little scissors, and I'm just gonna trim it down to the ending.
Yo, 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 please never say those words again.
And I also am gonna trim the front just ever so slightly, just to make my words match better.
Yo, 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 please never say those words again.
Perfect, okay. So now once we go to preview, this is where you would add like text. So I actually have a full Instagram Reels tutorial. We'll link here down below if you wanna watch that next. And we'll show you how to add the text. But basically this is where I would essentially just type in like whatever words I don't want them to say again. So I'll probably say something like, I don't wanna try reels. I'll probably just write this in, because if I have the idea now, I'd rather just write it down. I wanna try reels because I'll look silly. Okay.
Yo, 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 please never say those words again.
Perfect. Now, the other thing I do after I finish a reel, the first thing I do is hit in the upper, like kind of to the left of all the icons, the downward arrow and save it to my camera roll. It won't save it with the audio, so if I do need to re-upload it, I have to go back to that audio and find it again. But the benefit of that is if you lose your draft in Instagram, then you have it in your camera roll. And if you if you delete your Instagram app, or sometimes if you update it, you'll lose all your drafts. So you want to make sure you save it to your camera roll. But what I'm going to do after that is then just save as a draft, and then it'll be my draft ready for me to create, which is amazing. All right, so now we're going to go back to those reels that we had saved. We're going to go on to the next one. This one I thought was just kind of fun. So let me show you what it is real quick. I just thought that was so funny. Okay, so I just had to pull this up a different way so that I could use the audio for some reason. But again, we'll have the exact audio linked for you guys below so you can use this. But I thought this was just a really sweet way to like talk about, oh, this is what I do. And I have people that want this and it makes you happy kind of thing. I don't know. I just think it's cute. I like it. So we're going to tap on the audio at the bottom. Tap use audio. And this one I'm actually going to take my phone off my tripod right here. And we're just going to do it like selfie style. So let me get an effect that I like. And I am going to look at this one more time. Okay, so it is lip sync, but the nice thing is it's just in short spurts. So like the beginning says like, I brought you frankincense, and then I brought you myrrh. I think it's the second one, but we'll figure it out as we go. I brought you frankincense, and I brought you myrrh. It's thank you. Okay, so we're just gonna do the first part. So I'm gonna do timer to when that first lip sync part ends. Perfect. And we're gonna do it like a point of view thing. So I'm gonna have like one view probably be this way. So I'm gonna aim to have this like little picture like in the upper left hand corner. The other view, we'll probably do it this way. So like I'll just crop out my shelf. That makes sense. So those are the 2 points because I'm just gonna wear the same outfit for both points. I could, if I wanted to, like change my shirt for each one, but it's just extra work. I don't feel like it's gonna make a big impact on this reel. So, okay, so let's go ahead and do the first part. Okay, let's see how that looked. Okay, that's good enough. I don't feel like it needs to be perfect. It's always weird when you do the first couple seconds of a lip sync reel. At least right now, it's a little glitchy where you have to start the lip sync like when it gets to the 1 on the countdown. I don't know if anyone else has noticed that, but for me, it's definitely. Okay, thank you. So thank you is gonna be right here, like we said earlier. So like this. Let's see how that looks. Oh, I didn't even get my thank you. Okay. We might have to do 2. I'm going to delete this. We might also have to film. I could just not use the timer too. That might be the problem. But I also could film a little bit longer and then just trim it afterward. I do that a lot too because it's just a simple thank you, which I feel like isn't anything crazy. So let's just do that. Okay. So let's go back and we're going to trim it. Just to the thank you. Yeah, see, that worked. Perfect. And then, okay, let's see how that looked. Okay, add the effect, go back this way, and add the timer. And we're just going to make it a little longer than it actually needs to be, just in case I miss that first beginning part and need more time, and I can trim it afterward. That's what I do for a lot of these. Okay, so. Oh, I need to figure out what I'm saying. What am I saying? And I brought you myrrh. Okay, there's like a pause too. So, and I brought you myrrh. Okay, so let's do this at the corner. Okay, perfect. And I brought you myrrh. Okay, well, oh gosh, okay, let's delete that. Oh, this got frozen.
I brought you myrrh.
Okay, let's change that.
I brought you myrrh. I brought you myrrh.
Oh, that was pretty good.
I
Okay.
brought you myrrh. I brought you myrrh.
Okay. Effects. Add the back. Let's figure out the next part. Okay, so it's just this really short thank you. Let's go back here and something like this. Okay, let's see if we even got all that.
Frankincense. Thank you. And I brought you myrrh. Thank you. Frankincense.
I feel like it needs to be longer. Okay. So we'll discard this. I'm just gonna do it without the timer. I think that might be easier. So let's just try this. Okay. Okay, then let's trim that.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
That's perfect. Okay,
Thank you.
awesome. And then we're doing this point of view again. And what I'm gonna do, because I know in the video you like look off and you smile. Or she was like, I guess I'm doing this different than she was. She was looking at different like angle, like she wasn't looking at the camera, but I've been looking at the camera for all of them, so whatever. Good enough. So let me do is I'm gonna go like this and just like smile. Okay, I'm trying to figure out if I want to look off to this, like look at the camera and just smile. Probably just look at the camera. Keep it consistent. I think that's what I'm gonna do. Okay. Oh, I feel like I didn't do that. I was already smiling. I need to not smile. Okay, let's try this again. Not smile. Okay. Okay, let's see how that looks. I don't know.
Frankincense. Thank you. And I brought you myrrh. Thank you.
Oh, that's cute. Okay, let's just trim this a tiny bit. That's perfect. Okay, cool. So preview, save. I'm not gonna add the audio to this one right now. Save as a draft. Perfect. Did it. So the next reel that we're going to create is basically saying like, here are all the things that maybe you've done that didn't work out. AKA you could put like things your ideal client probably has tried and hasn't worked out, and at the end you say, yeah, but this one's kind of working out, and what you would actually recommend that they do. Whether it's purchase your product, whether it's use your service, whether it's do something different to achieve the result that they actually want. So let me show you an example real quick of what we're going for. Let's see.
Yeah, that didn't work out. Yeah, that didn't work out. Yeah, that didn't work out. Yeah, that didn't work out.
This one's kind of working out.
All right, so let's go back to the audio, use audio, add the effect. And this one I'm probably gonna have to hold and do some. I'm gonna do the beginning with my tripod, but then I'm gonna hold it for some of the different angles. So let's see.
Yeah, that didn't work out.
Okay, all the way up until, yeah, that didn't work out.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's do. Okay, I like that. Let's do this. Okay, I don't know if I looked mad enough. I feel like I look too happy. Yeah, I feel like it almost needs to be like a, like this didn't work. And I feel like my expression was not quite there. So let's see. Okay, that's good. 2.1, just in case I need to redo it again. Okay, I feel like that was better. So let's just look at it real quick. Yeah, perfect. Okay, effects, timer.
Yeah, that didn't work out.
Perfect, right about here. I'm gonna hold this and we're gonna do a few different angles. Okay. Yeah. Oh, I had a time run.
Yeah, that didn't work out.
Okay. Effects.
Yeah, that didn't work out. Yeah, that
Effects. Okay. Let's see. I want to do a different angle here.
didn't work out.
Okay, let's see.
Yeah, that didn't work out. Yeah, that didn't work out.
Okay, let's see what else do we want to do. Maybe one from like, maybe I'll do another like more full body one again. Just change it up in between. Timer.
Yeah, that didn't work out. Yeah, that didn't work out. Yeah.
Okay.
Didn't work out.
Okay. And then let me hold this. We're gonna do another from the side.
Yeah, that didn't work out.
This one?
Okay, this is the final
Yeah,
one.
that didn't work out. Yeah.
There we go. Effects. Yeah, I'll just like point to it, I think. There we go.
Didn't work out.
This?
Okay. Now let's do maybe full body again. So put it back on here.
This one's kind of working out.
I'm gonna do this one. It's kind of working out. Okay, let's do that. Perfect. This
It's
one's
kind of working out.
Yeah, that didn't work out. Yeah, that didn't work out. Yeah, that didn't work out. Yeah, that didn't work out.
This one's kind of working out.
Okay, so there was
This one's-
one.
Yeah, that didn't work
This one. I need
Yeah,
to trim it.
Yeah, that didn't work out.
There we go.
Yeah, that didn't
Let's see if the
work out.
next one's good.
Yeah, that didn't work out. Yeah, that didn't work out. Yeah, that didn't work out. Yeah, that didn't work out.
This one's kind of working out.
Okay, then the second to last.
Yeah, that didn't work
This one needs to be trimmed a little bit too.
Yeah, that didn't work out. Yeah, that didn't work out. Yeah, that didn't work. Yeah, that didn't work.
Okay. One more time. Let's watch it.
Yeah, that didn't work out. Yeah, that didn't work out. Yeah, that didn't work out. Yeah, that didn't work out.
This one's kind of working out.
Perfect. All right. Save to camera roll.
Didn't work out.
Next, save draft, and I will add the text later. Let me know if you create any of these reels with me, and be sure to tag me on Instagram at Stephanie Lynn Case so I can see them, or DM them to me, or whatever you want to do. Or you can even comment them below this video. But thank you guys so much for hanging out. I hope this was really fun, just more like a workshop style to, yeah, just hang out. I am actually, spoiler, coming out with a full course on Instagram Reels very, very soon. So if you want to be the first to know when that comes out, be sure to download that 10 free Reels ideas, because that will automatically add you into my email list community with over 10,000 other people to know when this course releases. They're going to be the first to know. So if you're interested at all, be sure to check out that link down below so you can learn even more about Reels. And basically, the course is going to be like a deep dive into everything I talk about on this YouTube channel, and more than I could ever do in like a 15-minute YouTube video. So I hope you really enjoyed this. Hit the like button. Be sure to subscribe so you know when new videos drop every Tuesday at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And I'll see you guys in next week's video. Bye guys.